performed, but you don't use the original costumes. Thank to the CBC because there is improve on the moves during performance. How you make patterns on stage matters a lot. So I hope members of dances and plays, please check on that. The originality, let us see that original essence of that particular event. Number 2, allow me to talk about stage utilization. Especially those who are performing solo verses and a bit of choral verses. You are only rotating within this particular area. I didn't see you using the stage. Let us see a more active boy. So please, next time. Hello? Hello? Make good use of the stage. And I also want to discourage the ghost performers on stage. Wakati mna perform a play or a dance, if you know you are not taking part in a part at that particular time, that's why we have the backstage. Nenda ujifiche kule nyuma. As adjudicators, we only focus on one particular event at a time. So next time, when you are going bass, are we together, boys? As I wind up time management, each event has its stipulated time. So as you are performing, you are supposed to ensure that you use the allocated time. Do not overuse, neither should you. Then lastly, audibility and audience management. Mekuwa nasikia hapa rappers wana rap, kule audience pia the actor or the presenter on stage. So next time, if you are performing any item, please ensure you manage the audience. How do you do that? By ensuring your voice, number 1, is a commanding voice. It's a voice that you will silence. Otherwise, in the company of colleague adjudicators, the H.O. Nilisema asubuhi wanaitwa aje? Nilisema wanaitwa aje? H.J.Os. The hearing and judging officers. Allow me appreciate them and thank them for the good work done. Without forgetting the audience, you have also made this day a successful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam Pamela. Let us clap for her. Are you ready to get your results? So we have different results in different categories. I start with the balloon competition, CBC. Number 3, Castro Nicholas. Number 2,